What is going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Fishing Grubs. And guys, I know today I told you I was gonna come out with a carp video, which we will be doing tomorrow, but I came home to a monster bass package and I really want to see what's in this month's multi-species box. Now, we've already gone over what's in this month's bag, I do believe, because they sent it to me early. We went over all that. We've already done a bit of a giveaway with that stuff, but let's quickly go over that again because we have this month's bag right here. I got buzzbait, Strike King. This is the Seeker 6, dives 4 to 6 foot. That's the color we got. We got this black and blue little lipless that you guys already saw. We got some KBD Ned Ochos. On the spot baits, little paddle tails. The big bite bait coontails, which look fantastic. I definitely plan on using those and these Ned rigs when we are up north fishing for smallies. The Excite Crank and some Neds by Monsterbass. These are fan-freaking-tastic. I got a golden ticket, of course. Free bait coupon, so that's definitely going in today's giveaway. The Monsterbass American flag sticker. Good old Alex Rudsky Seeker series, so you can see all the colors. There's a ton. So that is this bag, folks. Now let's get into the multi-species bag, which is why I wanted to do this video today, get it up, show you guys what's in this month's multi-species box. Again, this Seeker series deal a different color pattern of the Ned Ochos. Some crappy minnows. Literally crappy minnows from the Widowmaker. Those look great, actually. Little crappy minnows. Then I got different breed lures. Shad scented. These are awesome little crappie baits as well. Some more Rudd for y'all. A bigger lipless from Castic. Another golden ticket, of course. This is the Seeker 6 that is in my multi-species bag. We got the Monsterbass Mountain Dew sticker. Another Excite Crank. Another free bait coupon. This is great. The Shimmer Shad by Go-To Lures. Tiny little jerkbait type of deal. This thing definitely get it done in the rivers on some smallmouth and largies, and almost anything else. It's a beautiful little lure. Some killer crappie jigs. Lucky Strike. These look fantastic. I like the color too. And that's it. That's our multi-species bag for the month. So let's announce this month's giveaway. So I got, obviously we're going to give you guys the free bait coupon. Of course, we're going to give you both of the Seekers that we just got, since I have one of each. There's that other one. you'll get 2 colors of the Seekers. These are phenomenal baits. Guys, do me a favor too, if you catch anything in the baits that I send you, I would love for you to tag me in Instagram on any photos that you take with the bass, with the lures that you win. I would actually really appreciate that. So we get the buzz bait. It's going to be in that one. The lipless from Castaic. 2 Excite cranks. 2 different colors. We got the other free bait, Monsterbass sticker, the golden ticket, another golden ticket. We got some paddle tail swim baits by On the Spot Baits. I actually have some of those that I kept as well. And then the Monsterbass Dew sticker. That's it, boys and girls. Super stoked. Super stoked about the baits this month. I am excited to go try them out in the great north. There's your giveaway bag, ladies and gents. I'm going to get this video up to you guys. Thank you all so much for being a part of this whole thing. If you're not subscribed already, hit the subscribe button, because that also enters you into the giveaway, both being subscribed and leaving a comment on this video. A like as well, and do me a favor and please share any one of my videos. Help build this community. The more we build the community, the bigger and better giveaways I can put out for you guys. As we grow, I get to hook you guys up more and more, and you know, at this point, I absolutely love giving back to you guys. That's a huge thing for me, because I really appreciate all the support that you all give me. If you haven't noticed yet, I do not blast my giveaway videos on Facebook. I will put them up on Instagram, but I don't even really put them up on Facebook and put them out really anywhere these days. So the giveaways are for those of you that actually pay attention to the channel and... No, stop! The giveaways are for those of you that are actually diehards of the channel. You know, so that's why we don't blast them on social media. I just put them up, they get the views that they get the likes and the comments that they get, and that's it, and we give it away to you guys. And then obviously when we go live, we announce the giveaway winners, and we also usually do a trivia question for some more little prizes. So we will catch you on the next one. Thanks for tuning in. Fish on.
Wonder if all my bad decisions get accounted in the algorithms. No statistician could dissuade me from my bigger vision. I know my occupation's quite an unlikely place in this world to occupy and talk about upon a daily basis. Our information's predetermined by some biased business. We all in sermon to silicon that push out lovely neighbors. I'm done with paper chasing, think I'm on to bigger banquets. This that full circle, new wave, energy on a Tuesday.